So I may have a subscriber list exported out from a website, and let's say I want to go ahead and import it out on a website right here. In that case, you can go around onto the users section and then navigate to the subscribers section right here. Once you do that, it says there's no subscribers, so you can simply import out existing subscribers, or you can go ahead and then click on add subscribers right here. Then over here, you can see that use a CSV file is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click, then I can simply drag a file right here, or if I were to click, it opens up the Explorer window right here. So now I have the CSV file which I have extracted from another WordPress site. So I can simply select this out and click on open and then click on add subscribers. Then what happens is that it'll upload out that particular CSV file right here, and it'll start adding those subscribers right here. So it says imported is complete and 3 are subscribed and 0 already subscribed is there. So let's just go ahead and refresh out our page right here just like this, and you will be able to see that right here. So you can see that I already have this subscriber. Let me just go ahead and remove this, and I'll be able to see my other subscribers as well. So you can see that I have 3 subscribers that I imported out from that particular file. And that is how you can upload out subscribers, a CSV file, to simply import out subscribers inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.